Okay.
You got no reason to put the guns up. You can put them down.
Listen to them. It's okay. We're going to tell what happened. It's okay.
Hey, come on.
What the hell? Get out of the way. Down the street.
Look at this. This is crazy.
Down the street.
And what's the other guy?
Guys, it's not them.
Get away from me.
It's the other guy. It's the other guy. It's the other guy.
Put your guns down. They're kids. They weren't kids.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Guys, do not.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Yo, they got their friend.
Put your hands up.
Okay, shh. I'm the manager here at Buffalo Wild Wings.
They don't care because they black. They don't care because they black. They don't care because they black.
I'm the one that called you.
They didn't do nothing at all.
Back up.
I'm the one that called you. It was not them.
They didn't
They
do
ain't do
nothing.
nothing wrong. They put it
Sir, can I please
Back
talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to someone?
They didn't call the cops.
We can tell you, there's no reason. They're kids, bro.
Back up.
Hey, they're just kids.
Guys, back up.
We're not doing nothing. We're right here. We're not doing nothing. We're right here. We're right here.
Back
They
up,
didn't
guys.
even do
You already know
nothing.
what's
Back up.
happening. You know
You need to let them go.
Hey,
That guy is
back
walking
up.
away with a knife.
I understand.
I was
This
right.
is some bullshit, man. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. They didn't even do nothing. They didn't even do nothing.
That guy was drinking alcohol. There's a
What are you doing?
They don't care because they black. They don't give a fuck. They don't care because they don't care because they black. Because they black. They don't care. Because they black. That's why. Yeah, they don't care because they black. They don't care because they black. This is some bullshit. They didn't even, the kids didn't do nothing at all. Because they fucking black. That's why. Because they black. Because they black.
Why are you guys doing that?
This is crazy, man. This is some bullshit.
They got
You
no
should try
weapons.
him. They're not in.
This is some bullshit. Them kids didn't do nothing at all.
Oh, exaggerated everything.
This is some bullshit.
You guys are wasting time by arresting this kid. It's not even
Hey, look.
They don't care. They don't care.
That guy that's 32-year-old that was coming at them.
With a knife. With a knife. Some bullshit, man.
That's some straight
Yeah,
bullshit.
they don't care because they black. What about skin? This is some
What the fuck
bullshit.
you guys gonna do to them? They're Chinese trained, right?
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Just listen to them. It'll be over soon. Trust.
Keep your hands up.
That's the fucking shit pulling up, man. This shit on like stadium.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. This is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. They ain't do nothing at all. This is some bullshit.
Please back up.
This is some bullshit. This is some bullshit, man. Man, this is sad. I'm gonna say protect y'all kids. These motherfuckers don't give a fuck about us. They don't care about us. They must protect us. They must protect us. They ain't fucking protecting us. They must protect us. This is some bullshit.
Come on. You're wasting time.
That's some bullshit. Them kids ain't even do shit.
That guy walked away of you guys. And you didn't run away.
He's right here, that big ass guy right here.
And you guys are here.
It was the guy with the shirt off.
No, I pulled up.
I seen it.
Understand what this looks
This is
like.
some bullshit, man.
That guy's running his eyes.
This is some bullshit. Y'all wrong for this shit.
Knife that's chasing people around the parking lot. I call you guys to tell you there's a crazy man chasing kids.
They don't care.
And he's drinking a full up.
He got his shirt on. He walked. He down there.
Down there on the phone, there's a crazy Mexican man chasing 3 African Americans with skateboards. Okay? I told your sergeant who was the problem and what was going on. And for you guys to act this way,
Yeah, that's some bullshit.
Absolutely ridiculous. To approach 3 kids with freaking AR-47.
I hope they to the shit. I hope they parents to the shit out their asses. They need to get sued. I to the shit out
Absolutely
there.
ridiculous.
That's why I let my son come out, because these motherfuckers right here. I don't let my
And
son
there's a
come out.
crazy man running around with a knife that's been
That's why I don't let my
chasing people
son
in
out, because y'all don't protect my goddamn
that 30
son.
people saw, and you
This
guys
is some
are doing this.
bullshit. Y'all didn't do nothing. Y'all didn't do nothing at all.
Hey, stay silent.
Don't answer any questions.
Don't answer no question till your mom get there. Wish I wish I knew who your mom was.
Absolutely ridiculous. I'm the one that called you guys.
They don't care. They don't
There's
care
a
at all.
crazy man running around our parking
He
lot.
gonna pull out. He gonna pull out a big ass gun on some goddamn kids.
And you come here and
El hombre
approach the
anda
kids that
armado,
we're
ya
trying
se
to help
fue.
like that with guns.
He gonna pull a gun out on the kid. I would never let my son go nowhere.
And the
Punk
crazy
ass
man's
cop.
running down the street with a fucking knife.
They don't care. They don't give a fuck. They don't care at all. No, I'm not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna shut up.
You knew what was going on because I
Them
talked to your
kids ain't
sergeant on the
them kids
phone.
ain't do nothing at all.
And I
Them kids-
told your sergeant
No.
that there's a male Hispanic outside in the parking lot chasing 3 African American kids with a
with a
knife.
knife.
Right now. Someone's asking.
Okay?
You gotta know your piece before you start.
That's what we said. And everybody here in the parking lot called.
Yeah,
us.
she called.
I called.
So what did you see?
I saw the male Hispanic chasing these kids. And I got on the phone and told you guys there's a male Hispanic out here
So,
chasing
hold on.
these kids with a knife.
So I'm pretty sure somebody's with him right now too. So
Well, I hope so, but he's
everyone
not
gets
running down the
detained.
This seems like a different call. We're on another call for service where someone was hit with a skateboard. These 3 gentlemen were described
Yeah,
in
we're
the call
just
for
running down with a
service.
knife.
Okay, that's a separate call. We're on a different call.
If you're on a different call, then what the fuck are you
They full of shit. They full of shit.
You're gonna keep aggravating our
No, he didn't even know down skateboard. They full of shit.
Okay, but the weapon is a weapon.
He has a knife.
He have a knife.
He has a knife.
We're going by when we get on the call. The call literally stated. Okay, we go.
So an AR is a skateboard? That's the
They
word?
don't call us. They call the dispatch. Dispatch will tell what we get, and that's what we got.
Well, fire your fucking dispatcher then. What kind of fucking call is that?
Okay, that's exactly what we got.
This is some bullshit.
Assault with a deadly weapon.
That's all we got.
But yeah, but an AR is not worth the
Did
fucking.
they
got a
raise
guy
their
with a knife.
skateboards at you
How you
guys?
gonna pull out a fucking
Did they raise their skateboard at you guys?
You
No.
can sign up and you can be a police
That's
officer.
shit.
They consider us go. We already know. I bet we're gonna take
I
out.
will.
That's stupid.
He gonna pull guns and shit out on little kids.
It doesn't matter what car you're on. You see young kids just chilling at a pit stop.
They gonna pull guns. Yeah, some bullshit.
They consider a weapon a skateboard instead of a fucking knife.
Patrol car, that's a different story. That's a different story. That's a whole different story.
And I thought they was different from everybody else. They the same shit.
Sí, están apoyando a los niños.
I thought they was different from anybody else. I thought they was way different. Cops are really assholes.
I witnessed that. I've been part of that too.
Cops are really assholes. They're really fucking assholes. I've seen him. He's like in traffic. I seen him. Yeah, he went down there.
One they accept. It's the truth to the one they accept.
I hope they parents sue the shit out of y'all. They gonna get
If they were
sued.
doing wrong, we wouldn't be here.
This is some bullshit. They want to feel like they tough and shit. They mad because you got our cameras off.
Anything could be a weapon, but they never use that against the cops. I don't know why you gonna put shots on them.
He gonna use that big ass shotgun on them damn kids.
For real.
That's some bullshit. That's why I let my son go nowhere. This could have been my goddamn. This could have been my son. You gonna put a shotgun on fucking
Oh,
kids?
yo miré.
That's some bullshit.
Yo cuando vine a la tienda, miré que
Fucking punk asses.
Yes, he had a knife. He had a knife and he was
Yeah.
Hey, and he was drinking. He threw his Four Loko in there. He was drinking a Four Loko. He threw it in there.
Some bullshit. Them kids ain't. Them kids. They didn't do nothing at all. They was just sitting there chilling. And they gonna put shotguns out on some fucking kids? That's bullshit.
These kids were threatened. They expect the cops
Fucking
to
kids
come
was
to
scared
defend
as shit.
them, and then they get straps pulled on them. That's dumb.
That's some dumb shit. And
But he's here in the Senate and he ran away.
that's why I don't let my son go nowhere. I don't let my son go nowhere. I don't let my son go nowhere because of y'all. I don't let my son go nowhere because of y'all. Because of y'all. I don't let him go nowhere.
Put in the class in the kids instead of look get him.
This is some bullshit. That's why I don't let my son go nowhere because of y'all. I don't let my black son go nowhere because of y'all. I don't let him go nowhere.
You see a lot of people out here doing wrong. You guys don't do shit. You guys want to pull over people on some
On some goddamn fucking on some damn guns and stuff.
Why get him go looking for him and then follow him? They tell you where he goes and then
He gonna hurt somebody else. He gonna hurt somebody else.
oh yeah, he has that smirk on him. He don't care.
You don't care. That's why I don't let my son go nowhere. My black son don't go nowhere. They gonna put guns on these fucking bullshit.
There's no such
You know what's
thing
gonna
as
happen? You know what's gonna happen? You know what's gonna happen?
everything.
They gonna put some shotguns on some little ass kids.
self-defense is to
I wish their mom was out here. Shotgun. They put a shotgun on them. A shotgun. They put fucking 2 guns on them. They put a fucking shotgun. The other one came out with a fucking. Which one had the shotgun? Which one had the shotgun?
If a guy's
The street, the short here, another one. The one right
The
there.
goddamn shotgun.